Owning a Jaguar is the ultimate symbol of success. With expert craftsmanship, exceptional handling, and exquisite detailing, Jaguar vehicles epitomize the luxury driving experience. Jaguar genuine brakes are precision designed to provide exceptional performance, safety, and comfort. Servicing such brakes requires the knowledge and skill of top-line Jag technicians, using tools and diagnostics calibrated specifically for your Jaguar. Our top-line Jag technicians will make sure you're always safe and sound while driving your Jaguar. After all, a top-line Jaguar technician can identify problems with your brakes, such as squeaking, decreased stopping power, pulling and grabbing, and address these issues before they become too serious. Your brakes are too important to trust anyone but your top-line Jag trained technicians. At Topline, we understand the importance of using genuine Jaguar parts. These parts are made specifically for your Jaguar and are warrantied for 12 months. Specific oils and fluids, gaskets, hoses, transmission cooler lines, oil filters, and many other parts for your Jaguar need to be made specifically for your vehicle and should not be aftermarket. For superior service and an unparalleled owner experience, visit Topline. After all, we are Top Line Jag.